Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Designsense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this video, I am going to introduce a new product which is called Civil Site Design. Civil Site Design is an all-inclusive civil engineering software that runs on BricsCAD and offers you all the high-end civil engineering modeling functions which are available in a software like Civil 3D. For example, you can do road design, alignments, earthwork and grading, and you can also do visualization, reconstruction work, and you can also do 2D documentation for your 3D models. Civil Site Design runs on BricsCAD, and this is the preferred platform. And the advantage for Indian customers is that it also supports all the IRC, which is Indian Roads Congress codes. So do give Civil Site Design a try. It's really worthwhile and cost effective, and you can get the benefits of using a higher software at just 1/3 the cost of a software like Civil 3D. You can watch the full official video of Civil Site Design features immediately following this message. Thank you, and do let me know if you have any questions.
Civil Site Design is a multidiscipline software package which sits directly over your existing CAD platform. With integrated design and drafting, it includes a variety of modules for the design of a wide range of services and expertise. Using the grading tools allows you to model anything from detention ponds, car parks and retaining walls. Undertake earthworks design with the inclusion of detailed reporting. Create combined models for volume analysis and documentation. The road design tools assist with the design of infrastructure from the concept planning stage to detailed road design, allowing designers to quickly produce designs for road reconstruction, highways, rural roads and subdivisions. Template creation forms the backbone of road design, allowing quick and accurate formation of the road shape, subgrade and batters. The dynamic relationship of objects and views through the software mean that as objects are edited, line work and models all update. Conditional design can be incorporated to automatically change your design cross-sections to suit certain conditions. The Pipes module has a fully integrated drainage design tool for the design of drainage, sewerage and service and utility networks. The Pipe module can work collaboratively between HECRAS, Watercom drains and AutoCAD Civil 3D. With the HECRAS module, you can combine the 2D flow modelling with your existing and proposed designs. The 3D Model Viewer provides a suite of tools to assist with design and analysis of projects. Undertake full 3D site distance analysis to check site visibility along highways or at intersections. Line marking tools allow you to create line work in the CAD environment and display in 3D, or send back to the drawing as fully created markings. Share your 3D models through your web browser and social media, with the inclusion of virtual reality if desired. Civil Site Design is fully integrated with your CAD platform. Following any changes that are made to the design, the plotting and modelling outputs can be automatically updated without the need for extensive remodelling and drafting. Civil Site Design is an all-inclusive, easy-to-learn, cost-effective civil design solution.